How to change language on your Netflix. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then simply search for netflix.com. Once you have done that, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. At the top right corner, you'll find your profile icon. So simply head over there. Once you click on your profile, you have different options here. You have an option to manage your profile, transfer your profile, and edit your account settings. Simply click on Manage Profiles. Now, from here, choose the profile where you want to change the language. And once you've chosen your profile, you have an option to edit your profile name. And right below that, you're going to have language option. Click on the drop down menu. And here a pop-up will appear with different languages. Just select the language that you want to change to. And once that is done, scroll down a bit until you find the save button at the bottom. Just tap on save. Now, as you can see, everything on the home screen has now been changed to another language. That's it for this video, guys. That's how you basically change language on Netflix. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.